bookkeeping to me is a lot more transactional. It's like recording the accounts payable or making a bill to your customer, those types of things. And the more functional day-to-day pieces, maybe the payroll taxes and the payroll and all those types of items. Accounting is more analysis, interpretation, understanding what's going on, being able to interpret those numbers so that you can use that information working forward, and also to kind of dive in and see what's the company really doing. Sometimes people think that they're doing really well and stuff, but when you start uncovering these things, there's a lot of rocks and such that you look at. Oh man, well, we do have issues here and here. And so that's really, in my mind, what the difference between accounting and bookkeeping. They get in trouble. There's pain of some type. Oftentimes when I'll see a lot of clients, it's either pain because they do have IRS notices, or maybe it's state or audit, something along those lines, subcontractor versus payroll. And so Colorado Department of Labor has come in and audited them. It happens a lot these days, and all of those things come into play. That pain, sort of understanding, when you start your business, you're really kind of small. And so you can do all the phases of your business fairly easy. But then as you grow and you get busier and busier, it becomes harder to juggle all those things in the air, and it takes so much time. And, doing accounting at 9:00 at night is not fun. Even for me, it's just not. And so sometimes they understand that they're not getting to their billings, or they start realizing that they're not billing everything that they should be billing. They got to put it there, but they also still got to go make the money and generate the money. And so that's when they start trying to hire people, and either somebody comes internally or they hire it out, or to take pieces off and to help them analyze the books. And that's really where I think our firm excels. In fact, I know it does, is kind of the consulting piece of it, is helping them try and look forward and try and plan for the future for the next route so that they can get to hopefully their goals. Skill sets needed. So a bookkeeper, a really good bookkeeper, is really, really detail oriented, and they will agonize and analyze and stuff on how to get transactions in. And they're, in a high volume place, they'll be able to move a lot of transactions in and out and put it properly in right categories and whatever else, and keep track of all of that stuff. Some bookkeepers that I have seen are not consistent, we'll put it that way, or be able to look at things and say, oh, well, we've got a problem here, and we already paid this bill twice, and all of those types of things. But a good bookkeeper is somebody who is really detail driven and be able to see something, recognize it, and know what to do with it there. An accountant will be able to take that information and look at it and really be able to understand what's going on, be able to analyze things and take the numbers and maybe twist them a little bit, or say, okay, well, if we did this is the effect of it. A good accountant will hopefully be able to, move those back in line again so that everything is working properly and smoothly, and be able to analyze it and then be able to consult and talk about, directions and work with the business owner to make it more smooth, more efficient, and hopefully keep that timely. And that's what a good accountant should be able to do for you, is to help you look at the books, understand them, and be able to use that information to move forward.